I am the proud owner of some new veneers.
I absolutely love them. They have changed my life.
I just smile all the time.
My name is Sunny Hamilton, and I am the proud owner of some new veneers. I smile a lot these days. I was very ashamed of how my teeth look. I am amazed at the wonderful job that y'all have done. I hope this video brings you joy, because it certainly has brought me a lot.
This is what I started out with. This is what Brighter Image gave me. It's a beautiful experience. Everybody was helpful, knowledgeable, patient. They answered every question that I had. It was a seamless experience. If you're one of those people who often find yourself doing a lot of things for other people, this is one thing that I suggest you do for yourself.
I absolutely love them. They have changed my life drastically. They fit perfect. The results are amazing. I rate this 5 stars. It looks amazing. Changed my life.
I just wanted to let everyone know how great my veneers are and how they've changed my life. People ask about my teeth all the time. Where did you get that perfect smile? You cannot tell that they're on. Thank you, Bill, and thank you everyone at Brighter Image Lab for changing my life.
My name's Debbie Jones, and you all just made me this smile. I am so grateful, and I became very ashamed of my appearance, and it affected how I interacted even with people I loved, that I knew loved me. But your company does a really good job in communicating. Everything you said would happen did. When you said it would happen, you did a good job of preparing us. So I thank you.
Thank you, Bill, and thank you, Brighter Image Lab team. I'm so grateful for everything that y'all have done. Y'all have so many options for people that it's absolutely amazing. I can't wait to smile in photos with my kids and my husband and actually be a part of the photos. Thank y'all so much.
Yo, I think the one thing that nobody talks about is the contouring. These things are contoured to look like teeth. Man, amazing job.
Hi, Bill. Thanks for a great job. These things are fantastic. I'm a retired dentist, so I'm very familiar with these things.
I had my Bill veneers for about 3 to 4 years now, and I just love them. I love them. I love them. They make me feel so confident and smiling. Bill, staff workers, I really do appreciate everything you have done.
Never before did I think that I would ever be able to smile in public again. But I can tell you today, the Brighter Image has changed that for me. Brighter Image has allowed me to once again go out in public, smile, be happy, take great photos. In my line of work, I talk to a lot of people daily. And now I don't have that fear or self-conscious thought that, hey, they're looking at my smile and my smile is all jacked up. Thank you, Brighter Image. You have made my life better.
I just wanted to say thank you to Mr. Watson. Not only did you make my smile brighter, but you made my life brighter, and most days you make my day brighter. You are helping and making the world a prettier, brighter place, one smile at a time.
I just want you to know that I'm 75 years old, so now I'll put in the veneers and let you see. 1,000% better. I love them, and I wear them all the time.
If anyone's got bad teeth, please go with these guys. I have a smile. I literally have a fucking smile.